Know how pineapple can help you to get rid of cough. Cough can be very uncomfortable at times. Some home remedies can help you deal with cough naturally. Pineapple juice is an effective way to fight cough. Here is how it works and methods to use this remedy. 1 pineapple juice, honey, salt, and pepper. You can create a mixture of these ingredients to prepare an effective cough syrup. Take 1 cup of pineapple juice, more than ½ tablespoon of honey, a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Mix all these ingredients properly. Drink around 1/4 cup of this mixture 3 times a day. Also, drink enough water throughout the day. 2 pineapple juice and honey. It is the simplest way to use pineapple juice for cough. This method is quite popular and it involves only 2 ingredients, pineapple juice and honey. Take 1 tablespoon of honey and ½ cup of warm pineapple juice. Drink this mixture warm for better results. Both honey and pineapple will leave a soothing effect and help you treat cough. Few more ways to control cough. Try ginger tea, as ginger can help you fight cough. Take steam on regular basis. Drink enough fluids throughout the day. Gargle with salt water at least twice a day. Drink soup once or twice a day.